trying to pick up power banks. I don't know which one to pick. You know, in China they have this weird thing. Like if you're trying to fly, you can only fly with 2 power banks max. And the power banks they inspected at the TSA checkpoints, so that I don't know that they're checking. I don't know the voltage or they're checking some type of spec. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna pick up this one. Why? Because ChatGPT said so. Nah, nothing more complicated. It's pretty heavy. The box. We got the wires. Everything's cheap. You know, one thing I'll say. Cases everywhere. Dope. Like this place. Oh. Cũng có cái đi cái ngôi mà sau khi đem tụi đầm tươi à tụi ấy mày nói mày đâm tươi cho đâm tươi đi cho người nào đi mà đi cũng bùa mấy rồi chúng ta sẽ cũng bùa mấy đi đâm in hoa ý nghĩa tụi đâm đi cái十分钟在等我给嘛有等我是你接过是吧？对，我的快递这个码在上面是吧？码没有看。4748。Trying to figure out what the difference between these two is. Oh, this is a tripod too. This is just a selfie stick. Interesting. You said it's only 38. That's not much. That's not much. I'll just buy one of these. Oh, this is a tripod too. I'm stupid. I guess it's. But what's the difference though? This one folded length 152, and this is 190. Oh, this is longer basically. 680 and 800. Oh, okay. This is way longer. I'll probably just pay for this thing. And it's a tripod, I think. I think I'll just pay for this. The tripod. How do you open this shit? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. The tripod too. Both. Go. I'll just buy this, bro. Fuck it. 38. I think that's cheap. How much, brother? This one, how much? Same. Oh, I'll buy this. Just buy this one. This one. Power bank. I swear, but I need 20,000. 20,000, yes, 20,000. How much is this? Let me ask this. Magnetic wireless. Wireless. How much is this? And then this one? This one? This one. 你好，什么你 What is the difference between these two? I'm trying to get a power bank too. I think I'll just buy it, bro. I don't care. I could run around and look for the cheapest thing, but I'm not saying everything's cheap, but I mean, yeah. It's like, this is not much. This is like 100, so like I don't know what that is. I think like $13, and then this one is also 100. I need 20,000. I need the 20,000 one, of course. I'm just trying to figure out, but I could get the wired one or this magnetic one. I'm just gonna compare these two. Yeah, this one's wireless. I just stick it to my thing. Pause. That's pretty dope. It's only 1,000 or 10,000. Yeah, they're all like the same price too. No, this is a little cheaper, like 25 cheaper, I think. So, um, these two, they're both heavy. The boxes are heavy. What would I pick though? Shoot, can't even read the packaging. This one at least I can read it. Um, okay, 100-watt LED. They both have LED displays. Oh yeah, this one has the charger connected. This is what I do like about these. They already come with the little wire, so you don't have to like grab a wire or anything. Um, yeah, I don't think there's a right or wrong. Any one of these are dope. And, I'm just gonna roll with shit. I can't tell though. I can't tell. Should I just ask AI? Maybe I should ask my phone. Which one's best? I should pick. No, I just asked ChatGPT, man. Yeah, ChatGPT. Um, Yo, ChatGPT, which one should I pick, man? Should I pick this one on the left, the middle one, or the one on the right? What's best? I'm trying to get a power bank so I can just go around and, do my thing. I'm contemplating buying this. It's a selfie stick, no ring light, nothing. It's a tripod slash selfie stick. It extends 800 millimeters. What is that? Like, 100 millimeters is an inch, right? So 8 inches. Sorry, 8 centimeters, huh? It's not long, but it's not bad. Anyway, for the price, I think it's like less than $5. It's pretty cool for $5. I think it could be cheaper if I go somewhere else, but I don't want to run around the whole city just for a stupid little thing. But then this one, there's this one as well, which it's a selfie stick, tripod, and at the same time a ring light. Pretty dope, don't you think? And oh, the price, $10. It's double the price. It's double the price. Uh, I asked ChatGPT though, shit, and it said forget about it. It said you're running around China, get the portable one, easier one. I'm just gonna pay this. And, uh, yeah, I'm just gonna pay this dude. I'm trying to ask him to give me a cheaper price, but his homie's not letting me do cheaper. 16 PM 的壳有哪种款式的？ Homie not letting me. Homie not letting me freaking. And they're snickering too. They probably said some shit about me. No. How much? Yeah. Pretty good. Whatever those very stupid thing.
연결돼요?
Yeah. Huh? Oh, iPhone, yeah. Huh? The case. Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. Thank you, thank you.